G'day guys, welcome to another episode of Aussie Home Haunts. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Today we'll be making faux candles. Although made with real wax, these are lighter and allow for the candle to be secured with something other than wax. Here is one we did last year on our skull. Start by tracing your tube size onto the foam. This will become the plug for the top. You can also create a plug for the bottom if that'll help you with how you're going to mount it. Then wrap your masking tape all the way around your tube. You don't have to be too fussy, but try and keep it neat. If you want a severe melt effect, consider cutting the candles more before starting your dripping process, because once you start the dripping, it's very hard to actually get the masking tape to stick to the wax. You can use an actual burnt wick to create your wick, or you can substitute it with a matchstick painted black or something similar. Prep whatever you're going to mount the candle on. I'm doing a quick cardboard to table conversion with an old fruit box and some paint. Then, make yourself comfortable and get dripping.
Drip, drip.
Just a few things to bear in mind. It is real wax and that can be hot, so watch your hands. Also, if it gets in the sun and the sun's hot enough, it can start to melt again and make a bit of a mess. So think about where you're going to put this and where the sun might be if it's placed outside. These candles are not waterproof, so don't put them in direct water. For lots of wax, use the burner to melt the candle very quickly. For smaller, controlled drips, let the candle do its thing.
Drip, drip.
While hot, the wax is almost clear, so don't be too discouraged if it doesn't cover up what you're looking to cover. Once it's cooled, it'll become white again. Work on building up the layers until you're happy with where you need to be. And then build up the layers some more. Then you're really happy. And there you have it, folks. A faux candle, nice and easy, using some simple materials. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos to come.